Imagine stepping into your home after a long, sweltering summer day. The air feels heavy, sticky, and uncomfortable. You crave relief, but what's the best solution? An air conditioner or a dehumidifier? While both appliances promise comfort, they tackle indoor air quality in fundamentally different ways. Understanding their unique features, strengths, and ideal uses can help you make an informed decision for your space. Today, I'll explore the key differences between dehumidifiers and air conditioners, comparing them across crucial categories to help you choose the right tool for your needs. Purpose and function. A dehumidifier and an air conditioner may look similar and even share some operational principles, but their core purposes diverge significantly. The primary function of a dehumidifier is to remove excess moisture from the air, thereby reducing humidity levels. This is particularly important in environments prone to dampness, such as basements, bathrooms, or regions with naturally high humidity. By extracting water vapor, dehumidifiers help prevent mold, mildew, and dust mites, all of which thrive in moist conditions. On the other hand, an air conditioner is designed mainly to cool the air. While it does remove some moisture as a byproduct of the cooling process, its main goal is to lower the temperature of a room or building. Air conditioners are the go-to solution for hot climates where temperature control is the priority. In summary, if your main concern is sticky, damp air, a dehumidifier is your best bet. If you're battling heat, an air conditioner will serve you better. How they work. The operational mechanics of dehumidifiers and air conditioners are both rooted in the refrigeration cycle, but each appliance tailors this process to its specific goal. A dehumidifier draws in moist air, passes it over cold coils to condense water vapor into liquid, and then releases the dried air back into the room. The collected water is stored in a reservoir or drained away via a hose. This cycle continues until the desired humidity level is reached, ensuring the air remains comfortably dry. Air conditioners, by contrast, pull in warm air and pass it over evaporator coils filled with refrigerant. As the air cools, it loses some of its moisture, which is then drained outside. The cooled, less humid air is circulated back indoors. However, the focus is on reducing temperature rather than humidity. While both appliances remove some moisture, the air conditioner's primary job is to make the room cooler, not necessarily drier. Energy efficiency and cost. Energy consumption is a key factor when choosing between a dehumidifier and an air conditioner. Generally, dehumidifiers are more energy efficient because they only remove moisture without significantly altering the temperature. This means they use less electricity, resulting in lower operational costs. Dehumidifiers are especially cost-effective in cooler climates or during seasons when cooling isn't needed but humidity is still an issue. Air conditioners, however, require more energy to both cool the air and remove some moisture. The process of compressing refrigerant and maintaining a said temperature can lead to higher electricity bills, especially during peak summer months. Additionally, air conditioners often have higher upfront costs due to more complex installation and larger size. For those prioritizing lower energy bills and minimal environmental impact, a dehumidifier is typically the more economical choice, unless cooling is essential. Impact on comfort. Comfort is subjective, but both appliances enhance it in different ways. Dehumidifiers excel at making a room feel less clammy and more breathable, particularly in humid environments. By maintaining optimal humidity levels, they help reduce the growth of allergens like mold and dust mites, improving overall air quality. However, dehumidifiers do not lower the temperature. In fact, they may slightly raise it due to the heat generated by their motors. Air conditioners provide immediate relief from heat, making them indispensable in hot climates. The cooling effect is often accompanied by a noticeable drop in humidity, which can enhance comfort further. However, if humidity levels are extremely high, an air conditioner alone may not suffice to create a truly comfortable environment. In such cases, using both appliances together can maximize comfort by addressing both temperature and moisture. Maintenance and portability. Maintenance requirements and portability are practical considerations that can influence your choice. Dehumidifiers are generally compact, lightweight, and easy to move from room to room. They require regular emptying of the water reservoir or checking the drainage system, as well as periodic cleaning of filters to ensure efficient operation. Most models are designed for user-friendly maintenance, making them suitable for a variety of spaces. Air conditioners, particularly window or split units, are less portable and often require professional installation. Maintenance involves cleaning or replacing filters, checking refrigerant levels, and occasionally servicing the compressor or coils. Portable air conditioners exist, but they're bulkier and less efficient than their stationary counterparts. If flexibility and ease of maintenance are priorities, a dehumidifier offers clear advantages. Health benefits. The health benefits of dehumidifiers and air conditioners differ, reflecting their core functions. Dehumidifiers are particularly effective at reducing allergens in the home. By keeping humidity levels in check, they inhibit the growth of mold, mildew, and dist mites, all of which can trigger respiratory issues and allergies. This makes dehumidifiers a valuable tool for households with allergy sufferers or those prone to respiratory problems. Air conditioners, while not specifically designed to combat allergens, contribute to comfort by lowering temperatures and providing some dehumidification. However, if not properly maintained, air conditioners can circulate dust and other irritants, potentially exacerbating allergies. Regular cleaning and filter replacement are essential to ensure that air conditioners do not negatively impact indoor air quality. For those with severe allergy or asthma concerns, a dehumidifier may offer more targeted health benefits. When to use each. Choosing between a dehumidifier and an air conditioner depends on your specific needs and environment. A dehumidifier is ideal for spaces that are cool, damp, or prone to mold. Think basements, laundry rooms, or bathrooms. It's the appliance of choice when moisture is the main concern, regardless of temperature. Dehumidifiers are also useful in climates where humidity is high year-round, even if temperatures are moderate. Air conditioners are best suited for hot, humid environments where cooling is essential. They provide rapid temperature relief and can make even the hottest summer days bearable. However, if humidity is a persistent problem, pairing an air conditioner with a dehumidifier can offer the best of both worlds: cool, dry, and comfortable air. Understanding the strengths of each appliance allows you to tailor your approach to indoor comfort, ensuring a healthier and more pleasant living space. So, which ones should you choose? Both dehumidifiers and air conditioners play important roles in maintaining indoor comfort, but they are not interchangeable. The choice between them hinges on whether your primary challenge is excess moisture or high temperatures. Dehumidifiers shine in damp, musty environments, offering targeted humidity control and health benefits. Air conditioners dominate in hot climates, delivering powerful cooling and some dehumidification. In many cases, using both together provides the ultimate solution, especially in regions that experience both heat and humidity. By considering factors such as purpose, operation, energy efficiency, comfort, maintenance, and health impact, you can make an informed decision that enhances your indoor environment. Whether you opt for a dehumidifier, an air conditioner, or a combination of both, understanding their differences ensures you'll enjoy a more comfortable, healthier home all year round.